I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant in green hell. First, identify suitable planting locations, ideally near a water source for easy irrigation. Next, gather essential tools like a shovel or an axe to clear the area. Understanding the basic needs of your chosen plants, such as sunlight and soil type, is crucial for successful growth. This foundational knowledge will set you up for a thriving garden in the challenging jungle environment. To begin planting, you'll need to acquire seeds or saplings. You can harvest seeds directly from many existing plants found throughout the jungle, like bananas or various fruit trees. Alternatively, collect small saplings from young trees or bushes. Once obtained, store these valuable resources in your inventory. Remember, careful observation of your surroundings will reveal many opportunities to gather the necessary components for your agricultural endeavors. Before planting, proper ground preparation is key. Begin by clearing your chosen area of any obstacles, such as large rocks, fallen logs, or dense undergrowth. Use your shovel to dig a planting hole of an appropriate size, typically about 1 foot deep and 1 foot wide, depending on the plant. Ensure the soil appears fertile and well-drained, as this significantly impacts your plant's ability to absorb nutrients and thrive in the harsh jungle conditions. Now, carefully place your seed or sapling into the prepared hole. Gently cover it with soil, ensuring the plant is stable. Regular watering is vital. Aim to water your plants at least once every 2 days, especially during dry periods. Finally, protect your budding garden from potential threats like aggressive animals or harsh weather. A small fence or shelter can make a significant difference in ensuring your plants reach maturity and provide valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.